In today's video we have this 2020 Toyota Yaris which hasn't been cleaned in months. We use an Autobrite Direct Halloween Shampoo. Gone straight on to giving the car a quick rinse as it's incredibly dusty. There isn't any real traffic film or bugs on it, so I've skipped the pre-wash stage and gone straight in with the snow foam. This is Alien Magic's Japper. Onto agitating around the badges and then onto the shut caps. For this car I've just used a normal brush as I'm not too fussed about marring. The fuel flap wasn't too bad, so I only needed a quick going over. Here I've used Autobrite Direct Citrus Wash at a 1:8 ratio to help break down and shift any dirt. As you can see from rinsing off the snow foam, the dust has actually protected the car quite well. All it had applied a few months ago was Finesse's lavish ceramic snow foam, and I'm quite impressed, it's actually stood up quite well. Now, for the wheels, I'm currently using Metalworx's hybrid wheel and tyre cleaner. At the moment this is one of my favourite products. It's an all-in-one and it's not too expensive at helping, particularly if you have access to a trade card. This time I've started the tyre wall first to work it in to give it a longer dwell time. Then the barrels with an easy detail USA brush, followed up with the faces and the wheel nuts. Finally, a rinse off to avoid any residual product drying on. The bodywork was then treated to a clean with Autobrite Direct Shampoo and 2 Finesse noodle wash mitts. I used one for the top part and one for the bottom 4 to 6 inches. Finally, the entire car was given a final rinse down. Today, as the car was going to be due fairly soon, I got the big boy blower out of the garage and went over all the badges and shutdowns. The wheels also received the going over. And then finishing off the rest of the bodywork with a normal drying towel. The alloys could do with some protection, so I've applied Turtle Wax's ceramic hybrid spray coating. The alloys on this car aren't exactly going to get very hot, so a simple spray on a white product like this will be more than sufficient to provide some protection. Then, to finish them off, Autobrite Direct's Tyre Gel and Waffle Weave applicator. Personally, I prefer a glossy finish, but you can knock these back to a satin finish if you like. Finally, the exterior windows were treated to a rain repellent sealant. I have a how-to video on the channel, so subscribe to see this. Now, onto the interior, which was a total mess. It was given an initial hoover and then all the floor mats were removed. These were taken into the garage and brushed over with a stiff brush to help dislodge the embedded dirt, followed by a second hoover. Onto the rest of the interior, the entire thing was given a hoover to remove all the dirt, dust and dog hairs. All the plastic trim pieces were wiped over with Clean Your Ride Scrubber Dubber. These things are absolutely amazing, super soft, versatile and very cost effective. I use Autobrite Direct's Fab all-purpose cleaner to help shift the dirt. Finally, the glass was given a good going over using the invisible glass tool for the windscreen and then wiped over in a cross-hatch manner to ensure a streak-free finish. Let me know in the comments below how you find the format. Do you prefer the voiceover or do you prefer the text pop-ups? And thank you for watching.